Welcome to Enjay Network Solutions. We are proud to announce new products based on our new Enjay embedded operating system.
Let me introduce you to our new models.
Enjay Impression, 800 gold. Enjay Impression, 1500 gold. Enjay Ultra Mini PCSLX. Enjay ThinClient Card, PNP version.
Windows CE and Windows XP embedded variants available for all our models. Hardware specs for Enjay Impression, 800 gold.
VIA C3 CPU running at 800 MHz. 128 MB RAM. 128 MB flash memory. All normal I/O ports, like serial, parallel, USB, PS2 and of course, powered by Enjay Embedded Linux, Advanced OS.
We will discuss features of Enjay Embedded Linux, Advanced OS, in a short while. Hardware specs for Enjay Impression, 1500 gold are
VIA C7 CPU running at 1500 MHz, 512 MB DDR2 RAM, 512 MB flash memory, all normal I/O ports, like serial, parallel, USB, PS2, and of course, powered by Enjay Embedded Linux, Enterprise OS.
We will discuss features of Enjay Embedded Linux, Enterprise OS, in a short while. We also have Intel-based, ADM, option available, Enjay Ultra Mini PCSLX. This is perhaps the smallest full-featured thin client with embedded OS available in the market. Let us look at the hardware specs of this model.
Vortex CPU running at 366 MHz, 128 MB DDR2 RAM, 128 MB flash memory, all normal I/O ports, USB, PS2, and of course, powered by Enjay Embedded Linux, SLX OS.
We will discuss features of Enjay Embedded Linux, SLX OS, in a short while. We also have Windows CE variant in this model. Hardware specs for Enjay ThinClient Card, PNP version are.
This is a regular Enjay ThinClient card, which comes with 128 MB flash memory and of course, powered by Enjay Embedded Linux, Advanced OS.
We will discuss features of Enjay Embedded Linux, Advanced OS, in a short while. Wireless option is also available in all models except SLX model. Now you might be interested to know the benefits of Enjay Embedded OS, or why you should use Enjay Embedded OS.
Most important benefit is, it offers local configuration of thin clients. It is fast, very fast. Almost zero configuration required on server. Completely plug-and-play system. Very simple to install. Will reduce the time taken to set up and maintain the Enjay ThinClient network. Self-servicing OS, requires minimum support. Very rich local application support. Local multimedia support, and great graphics. Great options for network connectivity. Much more security and reliability.
Before going into details, first let us highlight some of the interesting possibilities of Enjay Embedded Operating System.
Maximum number of servers supported. More options for remote connectivity. Local application support. Touchscreen support. Widescreen LCD monitor support. Dual monitor support. Yes, you can connect two monitors simultaneously. Application publishing, using seamless RDP. Which means you can get Citrix-like features, without using Citrix servers. Can connect to Windows, Linux, MS-DOS and Novell. All four simultaneously. Local printing support. Local browser, with all the plugins. Completely secure wireless support. VoIP, Skype. Chat messengers like MSN, Google, Yahoo supported. Smart card reader, biometric device support.
A detailed introduction to Enjay Embedded Linux Advanced Operating System.
This is Advanced OS, which fits in 128 MB flash memory, and requires 128 MB of system RAM. A complete next-generation embedded OS, with all the features you can think. In coming slides, we will discuss the features of Enjay Embedded Linux Advanced OS in complete detail.
Enjay Embedded Linux Advanced OS Technical Features.
Based on latest Linux kernel, version 2.6. Desktop window manager, with start menu, and taskbar, full-featured GUI control panel. GUI connection manager. Mozilla Firefox browser, with all plugins.
Enjay Embedded Linux OS offers very rich network connectivity options.
This OS can support normal 10x100 LAN connection. It has TCP/IP support with DHCP and DNS protocols, WAN connectivity with PPP and PPPoE, dial-up support with PSTN, ADSL, and ISDN connections, CDMA and GSM models supported, secured wireless support, all kinds of VPN support.
This OS can support almost all the servers available in market right now.
Multi-protocol, multi-client, multiple server session support, which means you can connect to multiple servers simultaneously, and switch between them by keyboard combinations. It can support almost all the OS variants from Microsoft, right from Windows NT 4.0 to Windows Vista and Windows 2008. All variants of Citrix server family are supported, and for Linux we have one of the best supports in market. We have also support for some of the third-party application publishing softwares like Go Global. We even support VNC server and client both.
Mozilla Firefox, the best internet browser in market right now, with all the plug-ins, is built into this OS as local application.
Java Virtual Machine, version 1.6, Macromedia Flash, and Shockwave plugins, PDF Reader, Media Player plugins.
We also have chat clients built locally, for unified internet communications features.
VoIP client, yes, the best VoIP software, Skype, is locally installed in the operating system. GAIM is also available as multi-server instant messenger client, which can connect to Google, Yahoo and MSN chat servers.
Almost all possible local peripherals are supported.
We support serial, PS2, and USB keyboard and mouse. Color depth up to 24-bit supported. Screen resolution up to 1920 into 1440. Hot pluggable USB storage device. NFS, SMB, and local storage support. Which means that you can share remote drives and map them to your local ThinClient and use it for saving data from local applications.
Printing. This has perhaps been the most powerful features of our products.
Local printer support, which means that the drivers are installed locally. DOS printing. How could we do without it? Host-based printers. Like HP LJ1020, Jet Direct printers. Everybody using Enjay product knows this. Client for thin print protocol built-in, CUPS printing support is available. But it is optional.
Let us have a look at user administration features.
Our OS supports desktop mode, kiosk and super kiosk mode. Kiosk and super kiosk can be used with touch screen. The area of application can be banks, supermarkets, malls, and lot of other places which require self-servicing models. You can also do user-wise application settings. You can manage and store user profiles locally. These features will help you get a controlled, secured, and reliable environment.